Hello everyone, and welcome back again to HTV Fast. Have you ever wondered how can I layer flock and get it to get this nice type of texture type of feel, almost like an embroidered type of feel, a suede? Well, this video right here is going to demonstrate how to do a 3-layer flock design from HTV Fast. Stay tuned. Now, the great thing about our flock is that it is layerable, number one. Number two, we have quick tack methods, which allows you to quick tack it down for a couple seconds, peel that one warm, hit the second color, peel that one warm, and then your final stage is the full application method. As always, on your vinyl cutter, just make sure it's set to the proper standard. If you have a Cricut Air, make sure it's on iron on plus, and we'll get ready to go. So what we have here, just to demonstrate, is a 50-50 Gildan sweatshirt that we're going to do this design on. I actually picked one. I like taking things back to the 90s, so that's exactly what we're going to do here. As you see, we got the new and the latest A to Z heat press available here at HTV Fast. This is for if you're starting to do a little bit more production than just a ones-off crafty type of thing. This A to Z press has a lot of features, and there was a video on that some time back. As always, feel free to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but more notably, subscribe to our channel so for more tips and tricks and how to decorate. As this process has been the most sought after explanation that I've seen across all platforms, so I wanted to bring it to you and show you how quick and easy that it can be. Again, the A to Z heat press is available on HTV Fast. Check it out. Let us know if you are interested in one. Now, you can fully thread your garment onto the heat press, which makes this heat press so much better than a lot of those others out on the market, for making sure that your products are adhering to the t-shirt correctly, or sweater or bag, whatever it may be. As always, we have our heat press set to 300 degrees for flock. And again, these are going to be warm peels each time we heat tack it, but we always do a quick tack just to make sure we lift the moisture out of the shirt for any so you don't have any adhesion problems. Again, we have a 3-color design here for flock, and we're going to heat press this in 3 different settings. Here we go. Because we're layering this flock, we want to make sure that we get it lined up to exactly to where we're going to have it at, especially for our first color, which is the most important. So we can put that down. We don't really need a cover sheet for this because there's nothing else in the way of this, so we can just quick tack this for 3 seconds. We'll give it time to get down to a warm, not necessarily hot, because you want to make sure that you get proper adhesion. As you saw, I made sure my collar was back off the heat press. My pressure is set to medium. I go down 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Swing away. We'll give that a second to cool down before we go on to the next color. And just like that, we're back. Now we're able to peel this as a warm peel, as our first layer. And again, don't worry about seeing it too closely right now. We will definitely show this at the end on a close-up, but that was a 3-second tack. Put down is nice and smooth, feels really good on the design. Then I'm gonna take my second color, I'm gonna line it up on the placement as it should be. As so. Again, and you can get really creative, and you can turn your design on the shirt, make it straight, make it 6x6, 8x8. You can do this tons of time. Secondly, because my first color covered up my second color covered up my first cover, I'm able to not use a cover sheet again, but if you're afraid, you know, always have one on hand, put it under there. So just for you, I will use my craft sheet. There we go. I'll do another 3 seconds or so to tack down the second color, and then we'll let that cool down so I can pull it off as a warm peel as well. Here goes the second color. Yeah, it's usually about 10 seconds or so to let it cool down, maybe a little longer, just depending on, you know, what type of garment that you decorate. Some shirts cool a lot quicker. If you get a thinner material, of course it's gonna cool, but this is 50-50, and it's kind of like a heavy type of sweater, so it's going to take it a little while longer to cool down than something else. So we'll put it down. As you see there, I didn't have my pressure correct all the way, so I'll turn it again. It's simple. Hit it again, a couple of seconds. It happens. Or I peeled it too quick. It wasn't cold enough. And then the last part will just be this white design that I have. So I had blue, orange, and then this white color. So that should be good to go for now. Pull that off. Man, this is going to look great at the end. And next, we'll take our last design. We'll line it up. It's actually a joystick. If you're a 90s kid, as myself, you know, Nintendo was great. So here we go. We'll line those colors up. Place that down as so. Cover sheet for the final step. Definitely use a cover sheet because you have some of the material is exposed. There, turn it up, and then it's about 10 to 15 seconds. Let that demonstrate and do that. Now, I will put the products for if you were interested in buying. I'll put these down in the description. The hottest thing out here on the market would be the Flock, especially the layerable kind. That everybody has that, but we do. The A to Z heat press will also be in the description. And guys, leave us comments. Let us know what you're thinking. I'm telling you, this was the hottest topic that I've seen. It wasn't just Flock. It was actually just layering HTV in general. So I wanted to make sure that we came to you quick and fast and show you how to do this. While we're waiting for that to cool, I'd love for you to check down the description if you want to check out these products. The Flock will be there, and also the A to Z heat press. Also, leave us some comments. Let us know what you think about the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so whenever we do upload new content for the things that we're seeing on the market that we're going to make to help you, you get a ding. Give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down. We just want some feedback from it. It'll be great. I'll go ahead and peel this now since it should be cool enough. And just like that, we have a 3-color Flock design. And I'll get you a close-up of this at the end, so make sure that you catch up on there. But that's a little bit of a thing, and it was so easy to do. Once you get the cutting specs down and you're doing all that, it's going to be great. So remember, like, subscribe, and remember, when you're dealing with HTV fast, the only missing piece is you.